Have you ever considered that one of the most talked about new flavors in food is not new at all, but centuries old? Born of necessity, preserved by tradition, and now rediscovered. In an age of molecular gastronomy and high-tech gadgets, a rustic, pungent, deeply traditional Nordic food is stealing the spotlight. We're talking fermented fish. Say fermented fish, and people picture one thing. A can of surströmming opened outside and dramatic reactions. That spectacle feeds the myth it's only a dare. Reality check. The category is diverse. Many styles are mild, even comforting. Take Norway's rakfisk, fermented trout or char. Distinct aroma, flavor often rich, buttery, slightly tangy, like a strong aged cheese. Served in thin slices on flatbread with sour cream, onions, and potatoes. Classic Christmas fare. This isn't stunt food, it's celebratory cuisine. Judging all fermented fish by surströmming is like judging cheese by Limburger. You miss brie, cheddar, and the gentle side of the spectrum. Fermentation. Tiny organisms transform food. Bacteria and yeast consume sugars and starches, producing acids and gases that preserve and flavor. We eat ferments daily: yogurt, soy, sourdough, pickles. Nordic cooks applied the same logic to fish. Simple inputs, fish, time, right conditions, become something more. Enzymes break proteins and fats into savory umami compounds. Salt, cool temperature, and an oxygen-free setup steer good microbes. Control makes it safe, and each style, from rakfisk to hakarl, has its own character. Cold, deep waters, short summers, long winters, this landscape wrote the recipe. Before fridges, survival meant preservation. Once the boats returned, the clock was ticking. Drying, smoking, salting, fermenting. Low cost, low effort, microbe-powered. Light salt to block spoilers. Fish packed tight, left to mature for weeks or months. This goes back at least to the Middle Ages. Evidence of large-scale fermentation fed Viking and farming communities through the darkest days. Traditional methods are simple, powered by patience, not gadgets. It starts with impeccably fresh fish. Fatty trout or char for rakfisk, Baltic herring for surströmming. Clean thoroughly, often keep the fish whole to protect the flesh. Salt just enough to block the bad, not the good enzymes and microbes. Pack tightly, barrel, bucket, or jar, squeeze out air. A weight draws brine as salt pulls moisture. Seal and ferment cool, the slow magic begins. Over weeks to months, enzymes tenderize. Lactic acid bacteria build gentle tang and complexity. Safety matters, cleaning, precise salt, low temp, no oxygen. Commercial makers test. Home cooks should follow trusted recipes. Done right, it's safe and delicious. Unpacking the smell and the taste. Fermentation can smell sharp, pungent, even ammonia-like. That's enzymes and bacteria releasing complex volatiles. Think époisse. It fills a room, but tastes creamy, nutty, wonderfully complex. With fermented fish, the tongue often finds mild, rich, deeply savory umami. Like aged cheeses, mushrooms, soy, umami leads. Texture matters: soft, creamy, buttery. Some are intense and salty, others gentle, tangy, rich. Be mindful, smell is the intro, flavor is the conversation. This resurgence isn't an accident. It aligns with modern values and curiosity. For chefs, fermented fish is a treasure trove of complex notes. It brings umami, saltiness, and funk, like anchovies or fish sauce. Low-energy preservation meets local, sustainable food systems. New Nordic champions purity, simplicity, seasonality, and old techniques. Striking visuals and strong stories travel fast, curiosity follows, shock value videos open the door, tastings deepen the exploration. It's strange and authentic, irresistible to food explorers. A real flavor with a real backstory. No wonder it's taking the world by storm. Once you take the plunge, how do you eat it? Follow the cultures that created it, rarely eaten alone. Thin slices on bread, lefse, or flatbread. Creamy, starchy, sharp, balance the salty, tangy fish. In Sweden, the tunnbröd wrap, potatoes, onions, crème fraîche. Modern chefs use it as seasoning, whipped into butter, minced into mayo, stirred into vinaigrettes. Warm dishes make it melt away, leaving layered savoriness. Start small with milder varieties. Think of it like a strong olive or caper, a powerful accent. Fermented fish can offer probiotics and more bioavailable nutrients, supporting a healthy gut and overall wellness. But it's salty, so moderation matters, especially for blood pressure. Beyond nutrition, respect the culture, the living heritage behind the dish. Tell the story, credit communities. It's more than a novelty post. Local, seasonal, sustainable, and craft-driven, those values are here to stay. Fermented foods will keep evolving, reinterpreted and enjoyed in new ways. Be curious, be patient, keep an open mind. Start with a tiny bite, pair it traditionally, and savor a living history. You might just find a new favorite taste. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comment section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.